Hello, second graders. Today we are going to be doing addition and subtraction pairs, okay? So it's writing an addition problem and writing a subtraction problem that have the same answer, okay? Because addition and subtraction are very much the same, okay? Even though they seem really different, okay? So I'm going to show you how that's true. So I want you to turn to page 21 in your workbook, okay? Make sure you're on page 21 before you let the video go any further. I'm going to start with number 1. I want you to write down and solve it the way that I do, okay? So even if you already know the answer, can get it quickly, I want you to still do the methods that I'm doing just so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? So I have 8 plus equals 15, or 15 minus equals, oh, no, not minus, minus 8. 15 minus 8 equals, okay, and they're going to be the same number. We know that because we know, oh, sorry, let me turn my screen so you can see it. We know that because we know that 8 plus something equals 15 is the same as 15 minus 8 equals something. How do we know that, though? I'm going to show you how we know that. I want you to draw this with me, too. I'm going to draw a math mountain. And I'm going to draw 8 and my unknown number, and they climb up the mountain to 15. Now remember, when we practiced writing equations, we could write a subtraction equation where we start with the top number and use the total, and we use one of our addends as the next number, and then that equals our third addend, okay? And we don't know what it is here, so right now it's a box. Or we could write an addition equation. We could write 8 plus our unknown addend equals the total 15. Okay, so that's how we know that this problem and this problem are pretty much the same. They're just two ways of thinking about it, okay? So I'm going to show you how I want to solve the first part. So 8 plus equals 15. I'm going to make a 10, and then I'm going to solve from there, okay? So 8, 9, 10, okay? And from 10 to 15, I need 5 to get there. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count and make sure. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I'm at 15. Now I just need to count how many I have. I know this is a group of 5 because I always like to make my dots in groups of 5 so they're easy to count. 5, 6, 7. 7. Now let's solve for the subtraction problem. 15 minus 8. I'm going to draw 15 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make my line so I know where to count. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I should see all of this work in your workbook too, okay? I know I had to erase some, but I want to see all of it. You don't need to erase. You have plenty of space, okay? So that means that we have 7 in both our boxes, and our math mountain, you can kind of see that. Let me erase so you can see all of it. Okay, there. Our math mountain on the side, it had 15 at the top, and we know it needs to be 8 and 7 at the bottom. Okay, so that's number 1. I want you to go ahead and do numbers 2 and 3 on your own.